Have you ever wondered what it's like to build a brand from scratch? If you have, this video is for you. You don't understand what it's like to run this channel. Like, it's actually so much work. And I think a lot of viewers that watch, content creators online don't really understand what the amount of work that goes into making even one video. From scripting to the topic idea to editing, which takes a big part of it, to publishing and all that stuff. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort. That's why I really appreciate you right now watching this video, and I hope you stick around to the end. So for those that don't know, my channel is a bit of a up and down nowadays because I'm doing a lot of stuff. I'm doing a lot of stuff with music. I'm doing a lot of stuff with just YouTube growth tips. Sorry guys, I don't know if this lighting is doing me any good, but we're gonna continue on anyways. And to give you a quick example, I'm trying not to bore you too much, but to give you a quick example, when you're recording drums, there's a lot of things that goes into it. There is the equipment part of it, and for me, I've ran into an issue as of late where my kick drum, the one that goes do do do, it's just not present in the mix, and you can hear it in some stuff. I try to edit it out, but it's not as present as I would like. It's very soft. It's very almost not even present. I don't know how to explain it. And it's been bugging me a bit. But when you are a one-man band and you do everything from the topic to the filming to all that stuff, and also you're a family man, you work, you just got a lot of stuff. I'm not like most drummers that just have the time to play, or they have lots of gigs lined up that are always busy every weekend just with music. I wish I was, but I'm not that kind of drummer. So for me, it's always hard because sometimes I only get 20 minutes, if I'm lucky 30, to really sit on the kit and play something. Most of the time I don't have the time because I'm getting home late and I don't want to really disturb the neighbors or anything like that. So I'm very cautious in how I approach my practice times. But that's not the case. The case is this. I've been having this issue for a while, and just today actually I use AI to figure out the issue. So I do use Mixcraft Pro to record my my drums. So that would be my DAW, right, which is Mixcraft Pro. My interface, the wires get connected there, launch Mixcraft Pro, and that's where I actually record my drums, like the snare drum, the cymbals, the overheads, all that stuff. Anyways, long story short, I was able to figure out where the phase inverter or phase invert button was, and I was able to do that, which corrected the kick. So now the kick is more present in the full mix, and also was able to figure out I was getting this white noise signal that I didn't like so much. And once I start playing, it kind of goes away, but you could still kind of hear it, especially in the beginning. Come to find out, that white noise signal was coming from my auxiliary mic, which I use as a bottom mic for my snare. It's not a very good mic. It barely picks up sound, but I use it anyways because it picks up just enough to add some body to the snare. But anyways, when I muted that track, the white noise completely stopped. But this is a thing that for the longest time, going about at least 2 uploads of me just drumming, that I've had. It's an issue that I've had, but I just haven't had time to really sit down and correct it. But I just kept on going and making music. So I'm saying this to say there's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes in recording and putting yourself out there. And I apologize if especially in my recent short, I'm gonna put it right here somewhere, I didn't have a lot of time to make that short. I just kind of wanted to showcase the different intervals from the 2 crashes I was using, which is Soul Tone Natural prototype crashes, because I think this is very important, especially if you're a drummer, to have a crash with 2 sizes that are different, right? Because then you really get to hear the nuance of the crash and the sound that those series produce, rather than just mix matching your cymbals. Because when you mix match your cymbals, Even if you have the right sizes, if it's on the same series, it's gonna sound a little bit off. Now you can argue that you can't really notice it, but it's gonna be there. Long story short, guys, I was just wanted to just make that short. It's not my best work. I've done way better than that, but again, I didn't have a lot of time, and I just kind of like, let's try and get something out there than just not using your time wisely. So I was able to do that, and it's not something that I'm proud of, but at the end of the day, it's done. It's said and done. We move on from it. If you want to check it out, I'll put it over here somewhere. You can go check it out, and yeah, let me know what you think. But I'm hoping to do more videos, more German videos. I kind of declutter my kit a little bit because I came to a realization that I don't have a lot of time in my hands, so there's no point of me having a big set or huge array of symbols and stuff when I'm not really using them much, and especially when I go on to play, I'm spending more time fidgeting than actually practicing. So I wanted a simple setup, which I have all my Soton symbols up now, and that's what I'm going to be using for a while, just to kind of break it in, and also just be more consistent, making more stuff for you guys, because I really miss that. I want to jump on over now to another thing, and that is burnout. Like, it's not easy to run a brand yourself. My goals have shifted for this channel. Like, I'm more into the revenue side, and I still want to make valuable content, but I also want to maximize my revenue on this. I'm privileged and lucky to be able to meet my threshold for August, which would mean that I met the threshold last month and I get paid this August. But I really want to continue to build on that success and make the payouts more frequent as much as possible. So that's one of my goals for the rest of the year and onwards. I will end this video by saying, because I don't want to bore you guys, I know I value your time and it's kind of pointless for me to waste your time, but if you know anyone that does content creation, please support them, because this stuff is hard, and this is the one reason why a lot of people quit or never get started to begin with, because it's hard. If you have a team like Mr. Beast or even other YouTubers out there, then you know it's easier because you can designate certain tasks to your team. But when you're by yourself, it's hard. Like, it is so hard. I have so many ideas of what I want to do on this channel, but to execute them is like a struggle, because I have to find time, I have to plan it, and I'm at that point of my time where it's like I'm not as young as I was, and so my mindset has shifted too. You know what I mean? I have to work, I have a family, like I said, so they come first than just me playing drums or me doing all the things to boost this channel's health, so that's all I got for now. Like, sorry for the mistakes in this video, but I feel like I gotta get this out there. Number one, let's recap. It's hard being a one-man band, especially for content creation. I'm trying to find other people that also do this so we can kind of collaborate together and just share ideas and share our journey. But it's hard, especially when you don't know anyone that's doing this besides yourself. Right? Number two, burnout. It's real. Like, it's real. I'm trying to manage it. I'm also trying to plan ahead for this channel and make it more successful going forward. So if you've watched me over the past years or even a week or so, thank you for your support. Thank you for the likes, the comments, even the view. Like, I really appreciate it, and I hope you continue to support me. Also, check out my memberships. I do have memberships. I have 0 members, but if you want to check it out, check out the perks I'm offering, and maybe give me some suggestions